The mystery of Lake Pinatubo, high in the mountains of Zambales, Philippines, lies a lake born from destruction, Lake Pinatubo. In 1991, one of the world's most powerful volcanic eruptions reshaped the land, covering villages in ash and changing the climate across the globe. But from that chaos emerged a stunning turquoise lake, calm, yet hiding secrets beneath its surface. From chaos rose a turquoise wonder. Scientists say its waters are acidic and unpredictable. Locals whisper that spirits guard the crater, protecting what lies below. Science calls it dangerous. Locals call it sacred. A place of beauty, born from fire and shrouded in mystery. This is Lake Pinatubo,